Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to allow or block email addresses and domains in BoldDesk. I will also go through some use cases of the Allowlist and Blocklist. When you set up your BoldDesk account, a default support email address is provided. You can configure a custom email address as your support email address instead. To learn how to do this, please watch the Set Up a New Support Email section of the Converting Emails to Tickets in BoldDesk video. I've linked it in the card above and description below. Once configured, your support email address can be shared with your customers. When handling support emails, there are lots of opportunities for spam attackers to pollute your inbox. Or in some cases, you may wish to allow only your organization's users to send messages to your email address and not outsiders. Both of these can be addressed using our email Allowlisting and Blocklisting settings. Allowlisting is the process of adding email addresses or domains to the approved senders list. Emails from senders on this list are never moved to the spam folder. So, Allowlisting allows specific users or domains to submit support requests to your BoldDesk support email address. To enable the Allowlist settings in BoldDesk, log into your BoldDesk account as an administrator. Then, navigate to the admin module and click Emails, which will open the support email address configuration page. From here, click the Configurations tab. You can see the option to add an allow list for the address. There, list the email domains or addresses from which you want to receive messages. Separate multiple values using a semicolon. Click Add and Update to save your changes. From now on, emails sent from these email addresses or domains will not be marked as spam. Using a block list, you can prevent specific users or a set of users from registering and submitting support requests in BoldDesk. You can enable the blocklist settings in the same Configurations tab the Allowlist is in. You can add either a domain or a specific email address. Separate multiple values using a semicolon. In a block list, you can suspend or reject a domain or email address. The addresses and domains on the suspended list are soft blocked. Emails will not be rejected, they will be added to the Suspended Emails view, which you see in the Ticket Listing page under the Tickets module. You can block all emails or domains using the wildcard * symbol. To understand the uses of email suspensions and how to manage and recover suspended emails, refer to the documentation links provided in this video's description. Reject is a hard block. Email addresses or domains added here will be rejected. As these emails are denied, you cannot keep any logs for them. The wildcard symbol is not supported for the rejected cases. Click Add to add a domain or email address and update to save your changes. From now on, emails sent from these email addresses and domains on the block list will be marked as suspended or rejected. If the same domain is added to both the Allowlist and Blocklist, the Allowlist will be considered a priority, and emails will be allowed. If you would like to see other possible cases, refer to the email Allowlist and Blocklist documentation link provided in the video description. In this video, I explained how to Allowlist and Blocklist email addresses and domains in BoldDesk. I also covered some use cases for the Allowlist and Blocklist. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.